Can anyone please let me know? And what does this photo mean actually? Like, I have no idea, but he's so much angry, you see. So, good morning, guys. Good morning from Kochi. Today is the last day at Kochi, and I'll be like heading to Kollam. Kollam. It's Kollam or Kollam. I don't know. But yeah, that's the right plan for today. So, see you on the bike. It's a GoPro camera. It's an
Camera.
yeah.
What?
It records entire ride, everything. Okay then. Thank you so much. Kochi is done. I had a nice stay there. The uncle was very good. Kerala is so beautiful, man. I would like to tell something that one should travel the entire India once on his lifetime. And I would say the best time for this is like once you complete your college or something else, right? At that time, then that is the best time for you to understand and to go through the things and travel the entire India once. So it would be like way too good for you, and that is so these all are the Chinese nets actually, and this is how the fishing is done here. See, that's the beach, this is the lake, and this is the backwaters. But once you are into some job or some or the other thing, then you will never have time. At least take out 2 months or 3 months. Just go for the all India ride, means not in ride, any ways that you like, either in go in bus, either go in car, or either go in train, whatever the ways you find to prefer, and as per your budget, just go. If you are too tight at your budget, then segregate at least out of 29 states, segregate at least 15 states which are like way too great at their own cultures and all. It's not only about culture, but it's also about their way of living and way of lifestyle that will teach not only for your own purpose, or also you can like create something new, means your thinking would be totally changed after that. So that's what how you can change your lifestyle. That's what I'm thinking. It's nothing for YouTube purpose or something else, but that is the truth. Ask anyone who have already traveled to the India. Maybe he may give more better answer than me. I'm going to Munro Island via Alappuzha. Alleppey. Alappuzha and Alleppey are same, right? Yeah, it's same. So that side is like national highways on, but you know national highways are like, they are way too worse than what they define to mean actually, especially in Kerala. And these all are state highways. Yeah, smooth but slow and steady wins the race kind of thing. Trees both the side and like slow moving traffic. That's it. So that if you go to prefer with highway ride, it's like headache. Everybody is in a rush to overtake. That's it. That's beach for your information. मैं अभी पूरा मैं जाऊंगा अभी कन्याकुमारी. कन्याकुमारी से फिर वाइजैक जाऊंगा. थैंक यू. construction work in progress, but still we have to have this kind of roads only. Wow. Kerala is also famous for this lottery tickets. I don't know how much they earn, but I can see so many people selling lottery tickets. This is Alappuzha, Aleppi. Sorry to show you this particular plate, but I had breakfast here. It is like parota and chana. How much? 57. Let's keep rolling. Kolam is 33 now, and just stopped here 2 minutes before just to change the battery of GoPro. So to give you a brief that why I came to this place, the first thing is that in my bucket list there was a kayaking that I need to do in a lake, proper lake. Okay, it's like not a small pond or something. So I thought, I figured it out, like I should do it in Kochi, but better than Kochi I found this place as called Munro Island is like far better than anything else. I saw multiple locations and also right beyond them it's like far better. So I will stay for an overnight. Actually the plan was to go to Varkala, but Varkala is my tomorrow's list. Where I'm going is an island. I don't think so I do have a parking kind of facility. So I do have parking, but I'm staying in a tent for overnight. So I will give more information about this place while we go forward. But look at this green grass. These are not green grass, actually these are paddy fields. The river is actually spectacular. മലയാളം
എൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലാണ് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്. അമ്പൂലാൽ എൻ്റെ മോനാ. ആ വീട്ടിൻ്റെ കാര്യം ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു അവിടോട്ട്. അതിൽ ഞാൻ വന്നപ്പോഴേ ചോദിക്കുന്നത് അവിടെ ആവണമെന്ന് ചോദിക്കുന്നു.
ഇയർ
അങ്ങോട്ട് ചെല്ലുമ്പോഴേ ആ 2 നില കെട്ടണം. 2 നില കെട്ടണം കഴിഞ്ഞ് അവിടെ കാണാം ഇതുപോലെ ബോട്ടിങ്ങിൻ്റെ എല്ലാം കാണാം. അത് തന്നെ അതിനകത്ത് കയറാം. വണ്ടി വാർക്കാൻ തന്നെ അവിടെ.
Bike should be parked here. Center. Okay. So I'm working now. Bad. What to do? So ride to Munro Island is completed and now I'm working. So this is my stay for tonight. If it is little windy then forgive me. And the place is like pretty good, calm and quiet. Right beside me there is a lake, if you can see. Never tried any kind of cinematic shots, so let me try and I will post it now. So how the place looks like. Doing kayaking for the first time. So much fun, you know. That particular location what you see, right, that's superb actually. Malayalam. Oh, he was telling that stay stable because of the waves. You may like go here and there. So that's why he throttled down actually. Valli or wave, I don't know. That's what the face expression that he gave. It is also an adventure, but yeah, you have to be like daringly very careful.